Before we start, it's important to note that there are other organisms other than plants that photosynthesize, like algae, which is a protist. However, to keep things simple, and of course to keep something that you're familiar with, we're going to use plants as our model when we talk about photosynthesis. So, what exactly is photosynthesis? Well, I'm so glad you asked. Photosynthesis is a series of chemical reactions. The substances that are needed for photosynthesis are called reactants. And there are three things needed for photosynthesis. First, we need water. Then the water is absorbed by the roots of the plant. Ooh, you know what? Let's switch that to red so we can see that better. There's the water coming up. And carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide comes in through the air and enters the leaf. Energy is also needed, and that comes from the sun. So energy will be provided, and that's captured mainly in the leaves as well. Please recognize that energy is not actually a substance, but it is crucial for photosynthesis, so we're including it in the reactants list. Once all of these reactants are present, the process of photosynthesis takes place through a series of chemical reactions. What are the results? Well, the process of photosynthesis results in two products, and products are the substances that are present after a chemical reaction. There are two products that the plant makes: oxygen, which is released from the leaves into the air, and the second one is glucose. And glucose, stored in the plant, is the main sugar that provides energy or food for the cells. If you eat that plant, then some of that energy is transferred to you. We just learned that photosynthesis is a chemical reaction. It contains both reactants and products. This is what photosynthesis looks like as an equation. The reactants in photosynthesis are carbon dioxide and water, and then the energy that powers the chemical reaction. The products are glucose and oxygen.